welcome and/or welcome back to the channel. jdevinci. I look a little overexposed and sweaty and hot because it's really hot. I'm currently wearing the Yeezy Gap shrunken hoodie. I'm going to definitely show you guys what it looks like, how it's fitting, my thoughts. When it comes to sizing, I went with the size medium. I'm going to, briefly show you guys how it looks. But if you guys are familiar with the Yeezy Gap oversized hoodie, it feels just like that. It's just not as massively chunky, you know what I mean? The sides, I like how the sides are kind of triangle. Like I said, I'm going to take it off so you guys can see it, but the sides are like triangled. This is a size medium. I could have gotten a size large because sometimes I like my hoodies to fit oversized, but I did get the Yeezy Balenciaga oversized Dove hoodie in dark blue. I'll link that video in the description, and that one's big, so I wanted one that fit more. I'm actually happy that I did not size down to a small because I was thinking in my head, should I go small or medium? And then I just went with the medium. So these fit low-key how the Yeezy Gap perfect hoodies fit, low-key a little tinier. So if you like a more oversized fit, definitely size up. Like even if I would have gotten a large, it would have fit perfectly. I'm going to briefly show it to you guys, like what it looks like straight out of the package, because I just had to try it on. Like it kind of looks small. This is how it's fitting on my wrist, and I am 5'5". So if you're like 6 feet, definitely you don't want to get a size medium, you want to get a size large. So get your traditional size when it comes to the shrunken hoodies because they are very shrunken, okay? Super cute, super flattering. I actually like the color more that I'm seeing it here, but on my camera it was giving more charcoal gray vibes. Let me just briefly take this off for you guys. So you guys, just straight out of the package, this is what it looks like. It's actually thick, like thick, high quality. Dove on the back looks ginormous. This is what the Dove looks like. Like I said, I don't know how well this is going to wash. So when it comes to washing the Dove hoodie, I really don't know how it's going to work. I like the sleeve because the sleeve is kind of like triangled off. As you guys can see, it's kind of at a point, so I love the sleeve. The Yeezy Gap itself, as you guys can see, it's kind of like navy blue. So this is the washed, black washed color, and as you guys can see, it's kind of giving charcoal gray. Not black at all. I do hope that they drop more of these hoodies in actual, like in a black, because I was expecting this to be not charcoal gray, more black than anything. Yeah, I was expecting this to be more black than anything. But overall, I absolutely love the hoodie, okay? It's definitely not going back. This bad boy is the thick, and the inside, it's just like that soft texture. This is the inside of the hoodie, as you guys can see. No fleece. And then the inside. I love this hoodie. I don't have like a dark charcoal-esque gray hoodie like this, so that's why I'm going to be keeping it. They only dropped this in 2 different colors, the dark blue and this wash gray, wash black, which is giving charcoal gray. But it's cool because I think that it's going to age well. Like when I wash it, it's just going to wash beautifully. I do think that Gap itself, I like how pronounced it's not. Like if that doesn't make any sense to you, it's not that pronounced. Like you can't really even see that it says Gap. So I love the fact that it's not like the traditional Gap. You can literally see it from a mile away. With these, you can't really see them from a mile away. So I love the not so boldness that it is. Dove on the back, it's pretty spacious, it's pretty roomy. So I really do enjoy this hoodie. Like I said, if you're a guy, stay true to size. Whatever your normal true to size is that you normally get in hoodies, kind of stick with that. I typically like my hoodies more oversized, but like I said, I already have an oversized Yeezy Gap hoodie, so I wanted a more fitted hoodie. This is a medium. I would not have sized down to a small, and I would not have sized up to a medium. I mean, to a large, okay? So absolutely loved it. I do have some more Yeezy Gap on the way. I've got the fitted cap and then the white, aka light gray from Farfetch, because some of you guys were asking me where did I cop from, and I literally ordered it from Yeezy Gap, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed. I just had to come on here because my shit literally just got here today. So I know I've been looking for people showing the Yeezy Gap and nobody has had it, but I got it now. So yeah guys, bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV, I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.